Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Mr. English Channel, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Emily.
And I'm Paul. Hi, Emily. How are you today?
I'm great, Paul. So happy to be here with our listeners. And you?
I'm fantastic. Ready for another episode. And today, we have something special.
Yes, today is all about practice. English speaking practice. Woohoo!
That's right. We know practice is so important, so we want to help you.
Exactly. So before we start, please subscribe to our channel. Click the subscribe button.
And give us a like, a thumbs up. It helps us a lot.
Yes, it does. Okay, so what is the plan for today, Paul?
The plan is simple and fun. First, we will listen to a short conversation, a dialogue between two friends, Leo and Mia.
Oh, nice. A simple, everyday conversation.
Yes, and after the conversation, we will talk about it. We will look at the words, the phrases, everything.
And we will give you more examples, so you can use these words in your conversations. It will be fun.
It will. And then, at the end, we will listen to the dialogue one more time.
Oh, that's a great idea. So you can see how much you understand. Ready, everyone?
Let's begin. Here is the conversation between Leo and Mia. Listen.
Hi, Mia. How are you?
Hi, Leo. I'm good, thanks. And you?
I'm great. Hey, are you free on Saturday?
On Saturday. I think so. Why?
I am going to the park. Do you want to come?
The park? I love the park. What time?
Around 2 p.m. We can walk and maybe eat some ice cream.
Ice cream? Yes, that sounds perfect.
Great. So I will see you on Saturday.
Okay, where can we meet?
Let's meet at the big tree near the entrance.
The big tree. I know it. Good idea.
Perfect. It's a date. Well, not a date, you know.
I know, silly. A friend's date.
Exactly. See you then, Mia.
See you, Leo. Bye.
And that was the dialogue. So cute.
Yes, Leo and Mia are friends, and they are making a plan.
A plan for the weekend. For Saturday. This is a very common conversation.
Very common. You can have this conversation with your friends too. So let's look at it. Let's start at the beginning.
Okay, Leo starts with a very simple question. Hi, Mia. How are you?
How are you? The number one question in English.
And Mia says, I'm good, thanks. And you? This is so important. When someone asks, how are you? It's polite to ask back. And you?
Yes, exactly. It shows you are interested in the other person. You can say, I'm good, I'm great, I'm okay.
Or even, I'm fine, thanks. All are good answers.
Good job. Then, Leo asks the important question. Hey, are you free on Saturday?
Ah, are you free? This is how you ask if someone has time, if they are not busy.
That's it. Are you free on Monday? Are you free in the morning?
And Mia's answer is interesting. She says, on Saturday. I think so. Why?
The is a thinking sound. It's very natural.
It is. And she says, I think so. This means, I believe yes, but I am not 100% sure.
Yes, it's a soft yes. And then she asks, why? This is a great question. It means, what is your reason for asking?
Perfect. Now for Leo's plan. He says, I am going to the park.
I am going to the park. Here, he uses I am going to. This is for a future plan, something he decided to do.
Yes, it's the be going to future tense. For example, Paul, what are you going to do after the podcast?
I am going to eat a sandwich. I am hungry.
Good example. See, a future plan. I am going to drink some water.
Excellent. So, Leo says, I am going to the park. Then he invites Mia. He says, do you want to come?
A very friendly invitation. Do you want to come? You can use this for many things. We are going to the cinema. Do you want to come?
I am going to study at the library. Do you want to come?
Exactly. It's simple and nice. And Mia loves the idea. She says, the park? I love the park. What time?
Her reaction is so positive. I love the park. It shows her excitement.
Yes. And what time is the next important question when you make a plan?
For sure, you need the place and the time. Leo answers, around 2 p.m.
Around 2 p.m. The word around is very useful. It means approximately. Maybe 1:55 p.m., maybe 2:05 p.m. It's not exact.
It's flexible. You can say around 10 a.m. or around noon. It's very common in conversation.
It is. And Leo adds more details. He says, we can walk and maybe eat some ice cream.
Ice cream. Now I want ice cream.
Me too. The word maybe is like, I think so. It means possibly. It's not 100% sure.
Yes, maybe we can watch a movie after. It's just an idea.
And Mia loves the ice cream idea. She says, ice cream? Yes, that sounds perfect.
That sounds perfect. This is a fantastic phrase. It means that idea is very, very good.
It is. When your friend suggests a plan and you love it, you can say, that sounds great. That sounds fun. Or, that sounds perfect.
Wow. Great examples, Emily. It's a very positive and encouraging thing to say.
It is. So the plan is made. Leo says, great, so I will see you on Saturday.
Now he uses I will see you. This is also for the future.
Yes. In conversation, for a future decision made now, we often use will. He is confirming the plan right now. Okay, the plan is set. I will see you.
That's a great explanation. It's a spontaneous decision or confirmation. Like, oh, the phone is ringing. I will get it.
Yes, exactly. So I will see you on Saturday. And Mia asks another important question. Okay, where can we meet?
First, what time? Now, where? The two most important questions for a plan.
For sure. You need to know the location. And Leo has a specific place in mind. Let's meet at the big tree near the entrance.
Let's meet. This is a suggestion. Let's is short for let us. It's for making suggestions for a group. Let's go. Let's eat.
And he is very specific. the big tree near the entrance. This is good so they don't get lost.
Very important. And Mia knows the place. She says, the big tree. I know it. Good idea.
I know it. Simple and clear. She understands the meeting point. And good idea is another positive phrase.
Yes, it shows agreement. Let's eat pizza. Good idea.
Okay, now for the funny part at the end. Leo says, perfect. It's a date.
And then he gets a little nervous. He says, well, not a date, you know.
Yes, a date can mean a romantic meeting, but it can also just mean an appointment or a plan to meet someone.
Exactly. So he clarifies. He is a little shy, maybe. Not a romantic date.
And Mia understands. She laughs and says, I know, silly. A friend's date.
The word silly here is friendly. It's like saying you are funny. It's not a bad word.
No, not at all. It's a very warm, friendly word between friends. A friend's date. It's a perfect description.
It is. And Leo agrees. Exactly. See you then, Mia.
See you then. This means I will see you at that time we agreed on, Saturday at 2 p.m.
And Mia says, see you, Leo. Bye. And that's the end. A successful plan is made.
Yay! Good job, Leo and Mia. And good job, listeners, for following along.
Yes, fantastic work. So we saw a lot of useful things. Greetings, like, how are you?
Asking about availability. Are you free on Saturday?
Making a future plan with, I am going to, like, I am going to the park.
Inviting someone with, do you want to come?
Asking for details, what time and where.
Using words like around for time and maybe for possibilities.
Responding with positive phrases like, that sounds perfect, and good idea.
And confirming the plan with, I will see you.
And making suggestions with, let's meet.
Wow, so much useful English in one short dialogue.
See, you can learn a lot from a simple conversation. The most important thing is to practice.
That's the key. So now that we understand the words and phrases, are you ready to listen to the dialogue again?
I think they are. Listen one more time. See if you can understand everything now.
Let's do it. Here is the conversation again.
Hi, Mia. How are you?
Hi, Leo. I'm good, thanks. And you?
I'm great. Hey, are you free on Saturday?
On Saturday. I think so. Why?
I am going to the park. Do you want to come?
The park? I love the park. What time?
Around 2 p.m. We can walk and maybe eat some ice cream.
Ice cream? Yes, that sounds perfect.
Great. So I will see you on Saturday.
Okay, where can we meet?
Let's meet at the big tree near the entrance.
The big tree. I know it. Good idea.
Perfect. It's a date. Well, not a date, you know.
I know, silly. A friend's date.
Exactly. See you then, Mia.
See you, Leo. Bye.
How was it the second time? Easier, right?
I bet it was. When you understand the words, it all makes sense.
Yes. And you can do this too. Find a friend to practice with. You can be Leo. Your friend can be Mia.
That is a wonderful idea, Emily.
You can change the day, maybe Friday or Sunday.
And you can change the place. I am going to the beach. I am going to the cinema.
I am going to my house to play video games.
Oh, fun. And you can change the activity. We can drink coffee, or we can study together.
The possibilities are endless. The important thing is to open your mouth and speak. Don't be afraid to make mistakes.
Exactly. Mistakes are part of learning. That's how you get better.
That's how we all learned, with a lot of practice and a lot of mistakes.
Yes. So that is our episode for today. We hope you enjoyed this practice session.
We had fun, and we hope you did too. Remember to use these phrases. Try to make a plan with a friend in English this week.
Yes, do it. And that brings us to the end. Thank you so much for listening.
Don't forget to subscribe to Mr. English channel so you don't miss our next episodes.
And please share this podcast with your friends who are also learning English.
And for today's comment, tell us, what are you going to do this weekend? Make a sentence. For example, I am going to visit my family.
Ooh, I loved that. Yes, leave a comment below. We love reading your comments.
Thank you, everyone. Keep practicing.
And keep smiling. Bye for now.
Bye.